Today's woodworking entrepreneurs are breathing extraordinary new life into old cabinet doors, transforming what was once overlooked, discarded, or considered unusable into stunning repurposed creations that embody both beauty and sustainability, showing the world that true craftsmanship is not about starting with perfect materials, but about seeing potential where others see waste. In workshops, small studios, and home garages across the globe, makers are reclaiming cabinet doors that would have ended up in landfills, scratched, dented, faded, or outdated, and turning them into works of functional art infused with character and purpose. This movement is not just a design trend. It is a cultural shift that redefines value, challenges the disposable mindset of modern living, and embraces an approach rooted in renewal, creativity, and environmental responsibility. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. As entrepreneurs sand away layers of old finishes, uncover the history etched into the wood, and reimagine each door as something new. Whether it becomes a rustic sign, a handcrafted wall piece, a serving tray, a photo frame, or an entirely restructured decor item, they are participating in a powerful transformation journey from waste to wonder. Every imperfection becomes a point of interest, every crack a pathway for creativity, and every flaw an opportunity to create something that feels authentic and deeply human. Instead of hiding what time has left behind, they celebrate it, allowing the marks of age, the texture of grain, and the warmth of worn surfaces to become defining features that customers crave in a world overflowing with factory perfection and uniformity. These repurposed creations hold more soul than anything that rolls off an assembly line. The woodworking entrepreneurs behind them understand that the beauty of an old cabinet door lies not in its flawless edges, but in the story it carries, the kitchens it lived in, the hands that opened it thousands of times, the years of meals and memories it silently witnessed. When these pieces are reclaimed and reshaped, the story continues, enriched by the imagination of the maker and the home of its new owner. Customers feel this connection deeply, and it's why the market for sustainable, repurposed decor continues to grow. People are no longer just buying decor. They are buying meaning, authenticity, and a sense of groundedness that comes from knowing their home contains items made with care and intention. For entrepreneurs, this shift represents not only a creative opportunity, but a profitable one. Old cabinet doors can often be acquired at little to no cost, rescued from renovations, salvage yards, recycling centers, or community giveaways, and turned into high-value pieces that command premium prices due to their uniqueness, craftsmanship, and eco-friendly appeal. The financial transformation mirrors the physical one. Something discarded becomes something desirable, something undervalued becomes something cherished, something destined for the trash becomes a sustainable treasure that supports a thriving business. This is where creativity meets conscience, and where entrepreneurship becomes a vehicle for meaningful impact. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Each repurposed cabinet door is a testament to resilience and imagination. As makers carve, paint, distress, burn, engrave, or reshape the wood, they are not just producing decor. They are crafting philosophy, demonstrating through their work that renewal is possible everywhere, in materials, in homes, in businesses, and in life. The woodworking entrepreneurs leading this movement often speak of a deep sense of fulfillment that comes from not only creating beautiful pieces, but doing so in a way that reduces waste and honors the environment. Their work aligns with a broader commitment to sustainability, turning their craft into a mission-driven practice that attracts like-minded customers. These customers, increasingly aware of the environmental consequences of mass production, are choosing to invest in products that reflect their values, products that tell a story, conserve resources, and carry a sense of humanity. In the hands of these entrepreneurs, old cabinet doors become symbols of possibility, reminders that beauty does not require new materials but new perspectives. The journey from waste to wonder is not always straightforward, and yet it is in the challenges, the dents to fill, the panels to reinforce, the faded finish to strip away, that the magic of woodworking truly unfolds. Each piece has its own personality, asking the maker to listen, respond, and create in partnership with the material. This intimate relationship between artisan and wood gives birth to creations that feel alive, infused with intention and emotional resonance. And as these entrepreneurs grow in skill and vision, many are finding that repurposing old cabinet doors is not just a hobby or a side gig, but the foundation of a sustainable business model that blends artistry with environmental mindfulness. The low material cost, combined with the high market demand for handmade, eco-friendly decor, gives woodworkers the freedom to scale creatively and financially. Whether selling at craft fairs, online marketplaces, boutique stores, or through custom commissions, they are proving that sustainability is not only good for the planet but good for business. Beyond profit, the movement carries a deeper message, one that inspires people to craft homes, businesses, and lifestyles rooted in purpose rather than consumption. As homeowners see what can be done with reclaimed cabinet doors, they begin to view their own spaces differently, noticing potential in what they once thought was outdated or disposable. This shift encourages a mindset of renewal, of transforming instead of replacing, of mending instead of discarding, of valuing the life that already exists in objects rather than constantly seeking the new. It invites people to slow down, to engage with creativity, to experiment with their hands, and to find satisfaction in the process as much as the result. For many, this becomes a lifestyle, one that blends aesthetic pleasure with environmental responsibility, personal expression with mindful living. Ultimately, today's woodworking entrepreneurs are more than makers. They are storytellers, environmental stewards, and visionaries who see potential in every abandoned cabinet door. Through their craft, they challenge the notion that new is always better, offering instead a vision of beauty that is grounded in history, enriched by imperfection, and shaped by human touch. Their work reminds us that renewal is not a trend but a timeless truth, that we can always reshape what we have, honor what once was, and breathe life into what has been forgotten. And in doing so, they inspire others to create homes filled with meaning, businesses rooted in purpose, and lifestyles guided by creativity, conscience, and an appreciation for the enduring beauty of transformation. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.